Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. Today we're going to talk about trading penny stocks, specifically going long penny stocks, buying penny stocks. Is it a good strategy? Well, if you've seen my other videos, you might know what I'm going to say, or maybe you don't. So let's take a look. Now, the market overall is doing quite well today. It's up 0.8%. And what we're looking at now is ticker SPY, the spiders, which tracks the S&P 500. And so the market overall is doing quite well today. And when I say the market overall, I'm referring to mega cap stocks, large cap stocks. We can see that the Dow Jones is up nearly 0.9%. Financials are up almost 1.33%. So it's a big up day. And people who bought mega cap stocks, most of them are celebrating today. So here's a question to think about. Does a rising tide lift all boats? Because that's what they say, right? A rising tide lifts all boats, meaning that when the market overall, such as the S&P 500, goes up a lot, then individual stocks should go up a lot, right? Well, that might be true for mega cap stocks. Most of them probably did go up today. But that doesn't necessarily apply to penny stocks. Penny stocks seem to live in a world of their own, irrespective of the overall market sentiment. So I took a sampling of some penny stocks, and if you look on the left side of the screen here, we can see that just because the market is doing well doesn't mean that penny stocks are participating. And so we're going to look at some examples, and I think we're going to see a pump and dump pattern here. This is a penny stock, and by penny stock, I don't literally mean a penny. Okay, they don't necessarily cost a penny. Some of them do. But anything less than $5 I consider to be a penny stock. So here's Great Basin, ticker GBSN, and we can see the 3-day chart here, and we can see it went sideways and then up, 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 and I feel sorry for people who bought up here because big gap down, boom. And so far today, it hasn't really recovered. And it's down nearly 0.1%, 19.27% down in one day. Not even a full day. It's only about 12:30 almost. Could go down more, could go up more, but I imagine this would be pretty devastating to anybody who bought at the end of the day yesterday. Let's take a look at some more. Here's ticker XCOM. Xterra Communications down almost 18% so far, just today, and this is in one day. And we can see the it's flattish for a day or for a couple days, and then again in the morning, sometime in the morning, early in the trading day, boom, just down and not recovering. So not necessarily a pump and dump here, but flat and dump. We can look at INAP. It's another very low priced stock, $2 a share, $2 and a penny, down almost 14% so far today. And we'll wait for that chart to pop up there. Yeah, we can see pretty similar, huh? We've got flattish, maybe even going up a little bit, and then the dump. Not fun. A morning gap down and then just getting worse all day long. Let's take a look at IMI. This one is exactly $1 right now per share, and it's down almost 26% so far today. Yeah, that's got to be rough. And pretty flat for a couple days. I guess we can call this flat and dump. Just down and down and down, getting worse. Getting worse by the hour, by the minute. We could take a look at some others. I think you get the idea. All right. Here's INUV. I mean, Inuvo Inc. Almost 18% down in one day. Pretty similar pattern here. Flat for 2 days and then the dump. And then I suppose we could look at one more, or maybe two more. TRX, low priced stock, down a little bit over 14% in one day. And look at that, similar pattern. Flat, flat, and in the morning, the dump, gap down. And, we get the idea. I don't have to keep showing you these over and over. We've got UTI down almost 14%. TRX down a little bit over 14%. It's rough. It's rough in the world of penny stocks, especially if you're going long. If you're going to buy penny stocks, be aware that just because the market's going up overall, just because the S&P 500 is going up, doesn't mean that you get to participate in that. Penny stocks are very separate in many ways from the overall market or from mega cap stocks. And if you're thinking about trading penny stocks, please be very careful if you have to trade them at all. Personally, I don't trade them at all. I don't consider myself a gambler when it comes to stock trading and investing. If you somehow feel like you must invest in penny or trade penny stocks, think about this. Maybe just don't hold overnight, because as we saw from these examples, a lot of these huge dumps happen as a gap down overnight. And then you wake up the next morning and you lost, 14, 15, 20, 25% in one day. And that's got to be, that's got to be rough to go through that. So if you have to hold them, maybe just don't hold them overnight. Or better yet, don't buy penny stocks at all. I'm not saying that every penny stock is going to go down like this, but many of them do. It didn't take me very long to find these examples. It only took a matter of minutes to wade through the sea of penny stocks to find some that dumped today. And today is just one day. All right, who knows how many more dumped this week or in the past month. And once you dump it, it's not like Apple or Microsoft or something like that. Those mega cap or Coca-Cola mega cap stocks tend to recover sooner or later if you hold them long enough, because the market overall tends to recover if you hold it long enough. Penny stocks, you can easily buy it and then have a big dump like this and have it never come back ever. And so you're holding shares that aren't worth much, if you can even find somebody to buy it, depending on the volume. So be very careful with penny stocks. I don't recommend investing or trading them, but hey, the decision is yours. So if you'd like more help with trading, investing, if you'd like to make a trading plan, I hope you have a trading plan, because if you don't, it's probably not going to end up well. So feel free to contact me anytime. My name is David Modell. Last name is spelled Moadel. And my email address is davidmodell@gmail.com. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, give it a subscribe if you want to subscribe to my channel. I'm always trying to give you lots of useful content that can help you, things to think about, things to help you in your trading and investing. And feel free to contact me at any time. Thanks a lot, and I hope to hear from you soon.